Now find the value of, all of you can hear me properly, correct? All of you can hear me. Yeah. No, B part I am, no, B I am doing. All of you can see the board clearly. All of you can, wait, I am explaining, no? Yes. Then all of you can see the board clearly. Now let us find the value of this. A I have done yesterday. -6 plus 5 minus 4. Now yesterday I have told you, whenever minus are together, that minus we can write plus. So this yes, wait. So -6 plus 5 minus I can write plus 4. Yes. Now it will be clear. Wait. Now it is clear. Don't present anything. Now let us plot the number line. Let us plot the number line. In the center I have 0. Then first I will represent the number -6. Yes, please mute the microphone. So yes, mute the microphone. First we represent the number -6. So -6. Yes. Wait. First we represent the number -6 by moving 6 steps to the left of 0 directly, because it is -6. So from 0 I have to move left. 6 steps. So -1, -2, 6 steps to the left, because it is -6. -3, -4, -5 and -6. So we write, first we represent, this writing also we write, first we represent, let me write, yes, this part is over, top part, let us write, first we represent, right side also, first we represent -6, yes, yes, that, see that is what I had explained yesterday. Whenever minus are together, that minus we write plus. Minus we write plus. Okay. First we represent -6 by moving 6 steps. By moving 6 steps to the left of 0 directly. By moving 6 steps to the left of 0 directly. By moving 6 steps, yes, 6 steps to the left of 0. To the left of 0. Directly. So first we represent -6. By moving 6 steps, it is minus, so I will move left. Yes. First I will represent this -6. By moving 6 steps. So let us move. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step and 6 step. So this is my first step. First step is representing the number -6. First step. So we move 6 steps to the left of 0. We get -6. Then plus means add. To add plus 5 to it. To add plus means add. To add plus 5 to it. It means -6. To add plus 5 to it. Yes. What you will do? Plus 5 means you have to jump. Yes, you have to jump. Yes, you have to. Yes, plus means add. We want to add plus 5. So I will take 5 jumps. I will take 5 jumps to the right of minus 6. To add plus 5 to it, we take 5 jumps. We take 5 jumps to the right of minus 6. To the right of minus 6. We take 5 jumps to reach the point. Now let us make 5 jump. From minus 6 I will have to make 5 jump to the right. This side also you can write the numbers. No problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write the number. Now from minus 6 I will take 5 jump to the right. So this is 1 jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump. So where we reach? We reach the point minus 1. Wait, that we'll see now. First I am adding plus 5. Yes. So where we reach? To reach the point minus 1. So from minus 6 to add plus 5, I will take 5 jumps to the right. So minus 6 to minus 5, 1 jump, minus 5 to minus 4, second jump, minus 4 to minus 3, third jump, minus 3 to minus 2, fourth jump, minus 2 to minus 1 is fifth jump. So we reach the point minus 1. Now we want to again we have plus. Plus means add. Again to this minus 1, I have to add plus 4. So we write to add plus 4. To add plus 4 to 8. So 8 means 2 minus 1. To add plus 4 to 8. Yes, what you will do? Tell me. To add plus 4 to minus 1. Yes. Wait. No, wait. To add plus 4 to minus 1, I will take 4 jumps to the right. To add plus 4 to 8 means minus 1. We take 4 jumps. To the right of minus 1. To reach the point, we take 4 jumps to the right of minus 1. To reach the point, now let us take 4 jumps to the right. Minus 1 to 0, 1 jump. 0 to 1, second jump. 1 to 2, third jump. 2 to 3 is fourth jump. Yes, so it is fourth jump. So this is my third step. Yes, this is my third step. So from minus 1, when we make 4 jump to the right, we reach to the point 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump. We reach the point plus 3. So our answer, we write the answer. Minus 6 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is plus 3. Right? 3 or plus 3, they are same. 3 or plus 3, they are same. Answer is plus 3. Yes, answer is plus 3. Yes, C and D I will give homework because you have to do the next exercise also. So C and D I will be giving homework. Yes. I will give time for writing. Don't worry. So yes, minus 6 means from 0 you have to move 6 steps to the left. Then to add plus 5, from minus 6 you make 5 jump to the right. You will reach minus 1. Then from minus 1 to add plus 4, I will take 4 jump to the right. So minus 1 to 0, 1 step, 0 to 1, second jump, 1 to 2, third jump, 2 to 3, fourth jump. So we reach the point plus 3. So our final answer is plus 3. This diagram is over. This diagram. Yes. Okay. Full I will not erase because others are writing. Yes. Mute the microphone. Now C and D. Let us write. Wait. C and D plus 4 minus 2 minus plus 1. Then D minus 1. Yes. Minus 4 minus plus 5. Yes. You want the answer of all this C and D? Just tell me. Wait. See here. Both I am giving homework. C and D will be homework. 2 I have done. A and B I have done. C and D you have to do. Yes. I am giving the answer of C. I am giving the answer so that you can cross verify your answer. Answer of C is 5 plus 5. Answer of C is plus 5. And answer of D is 8. Write this. Wait, not minus, wait. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 5, answer of D is minus 2. Answer of D is minus 2. देखो यहाँ पे प्लस प्लस. See there you will write minus s plus plus. There you will write minus s plus plus. That you do. Yes. Yes. Minus you will write plus plus. Minus you will write plus plus. Answer of C is 5. Answer of D is minus 2. That you check the answer. No, that you see. That part we have. Right. Which part? See here. Minus you will write plus. 1 minute. Now you tell me. Wait. Wait. Now you tell me out. Yes, out of C and D, one I will do. Now you tell me which one I should do. Okay, let us. Yes. Let us do C part. Chalo. Let us do C. No problem. Yes. Now it is. Yes. Now no comment. See here, no comment. Now let us do the C part. Wait. Yes. Why there is noise? Now let us solve C part. See here, board is very much clear. Board is very much clear. Now wait, let me solve C1. So plus 4, then minus minus I will write plus plus, then minus plus 1. D will be homework. Let me see, it is very much clear in the mobile. I am able to see. See, I am doing, because few students said that they have not understood. Yes. Now let me do C part. Minus minus I will write plus plus. Now let me draw the number line. Yes, no talking. Let me draw the number line. Now first I will represent the number plus 4. Yes. First I will represent the number plus 4. So whenever sign is plus, you have to move to the right. Plus sign means move to the right. How many steps? 4 steps. Yes, it is clear. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This is 4. Then further also you can write, no problem. 5, 6. You can continue, no problem. This side also you can write. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So now let us, first we represent the number plus 4 by moving 4 steps to the right of 0. So 0 to 1, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. So this is my number plus 4. So we write first step. First step is to represent the number plus 4. We write the explanation. Yes, you have to write the explanation and write their first step. So first we write to represent the number plus 4. Yes, nothing is allowed. Please take care of that. Any moment I can see the chat box and remove the student. So write, first we represent plus 4. Wait, first we represent plus 4 by moving 4 steps. To the 0 directly. 4 steps to the number 0 directly. Because it is plus 4, so we have to move by moving 4 steps to the right. 4 steps to the right. In which direction? Right side. 4 steps to the right of 4 steps to the right of 0 directly. So from 0 we move 4 steps to the right, we reach the number plus 4. Then minus minus we write plus plus. Again we have plus. Plus means add. To add plus 2. No, how left? Because it is plus 4, no? Plus 4 means I have written according to the sign. It was minus 4. Now it is plus 4, no? In B it was minus 4, my dear. So I have to move to the left. But in C part it is plus 4. So I have to move to the right. Is it clear? Okay. Now plus 2 means add plus 2 to it. Now to this plus 4 we want to add plus 2. To add plus 2 to it, we take 2 jumps. We take 2 jumps to the right of 4. We take 2 jumps to the right of 4 because it is plus 2. Right of plus 4. We take 2 jumps to the right of plus 4 to reach the right side only to the right to reach the yes, to reach the point. Now I will take 2 jump to the right. This is my right side. This is my right side. I have to take 2 jump. Yes. So 4 to 5 1 jump, 5 to 6 2 jumps. So I will reach the point 6. To reach the point. No, when see here minus become plus. No, minus we write plus means yes, minus we write plus. Yes, you can circle, no problem. Now to reach the point plus 6. Now further I have wait. See wait. Now I have minus. Minus means you have to subtract. Now I will write to subtract plus 1. To subtract plus 1 to 8. To subtract plus 1 to 8. Now from plus 6 we want to subtract 1. So when there is minus 1 or subtract, you have to to subtract plus 1 from 6. So now from 6 we want to subtract 1. So whenever it is subtract, you have to jump to the left. Now jump to the left. It is because it is minus sign. No, see this minus sign means subtract. Yes. Now to subtract plus 1 from 8, I will make 1 jump to the left. Yes, plus 5. To subtract plus 1 to 8, we take 1 jump. Yes, mute the microphone. We take 1 jump. To the left of plus 6. From plus 6 I will take 1 jump to the left because we want to subtract. Subtract means you have to take jump to the left to reach the point plus 5. 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 So now our answer will be, final answer is plus 4 minus 2 minus plus 1 is equal to 5. Yes, this is the answer. Yes. Now see, I have explained A, B, C, 3 example I have explained. No, see here. See, A part I had explained, B part I had explained. So, see here. No, see, whenever you don't... Yes, mute the microphone first. First mute the microphone. First mute the microphone. Yes, be in the discipline. Be in the discipline. Yes. C I had explained, A I had explained, B I had explained. Now few of you are telling that See, I had explained. Now, still few of you are not understanding. Still few of you have not understood. So let me solve D also. Let me solve D also. Not give the homework D. Let me solve D also. Now see. Now those who have not understood, they try. Yes. You try to understand. A we have explained. B we have explained. Yes. Yes. So D I had given homework. D I had given homework. Is it clear? You try to understand. Yes. Wait. Yes. No, my dear. In phone it is very much clear. I am able to see. Now let us solve exercise 1.5. Let us see. A I had explained. B I had explained. C I had explained. When I was explaining, yes. Where in D part? Which one? Which exercise you are getting? Yes, -2 is the answer. -2 is the answer. Now see, we will do one thing. Chalo, let us solve D also, because few of you have not understood. So for them also let me do the D. Yes, no, I am not giving homework. Let me do the D part also, because few of you have not understood. Is it clear? Few of you have not understood, so let me do the D part also. Let me do the D part. And see, those who have not understood, for them this is the last example. So try to understand. Anything is there, you ask immediately. So -1 minus 4 plus minus plus 5. Try to understand. Those who have not understood, try to understand. -1 minus -4 minus plus 5. So wherever I have minus, I will write plus. So this is -1. Then minus I will write plus 5 plus 4 minus plus 5. Now there I have minus, so I am writing plus. Minus plus we don't change. So this is the value which we have to find. Let us draw the number line. Let us draw the number line. Yeah, let me explain. I am explaining, no. Let me start. So first, draw the number line. Number line has two ends. Both ends it has 0. Now in the center I will take 0. Then it is -1. So this side we write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And this side we write +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. No, D I am doing. D I am solving. Now first it is, we want to represent the number -1. How you will represent the number -1? The sign is minus. So from 0 I will move one step to the left. Yes. So from 0 I will move one step to the left to reach the number -1. To reach the number -1. So this is my first step. So we write the explanation part. To represent the number -1. Yes, right. To represent the number -1. To represent the number -1, we move one step. We move one step to the left of 0. to the left of 0 directly. We move one step to the left of 0 directly. Okay, so this minus 1 we have done. From 0 you move one step to the left. Now next is plus plus 4. Plus means add. Now to this minus 1 we want to add plus 4. So we write to add plus 4. To add plus 4 to 8. To add plus 4 to 8. Yes, what I will do? To add plus, see here, now we want to add plus 4. To add plus 4 means you have to take last one, yes. To add, I will take 4 jump towards right. To add plus 4 to 8, we take 4 jumps. We take 4 jumps to the right of minus 1 because it is plus 4. To the right of minus 1 to reach the point. To reach the point. When you take 4 jump to the right, where you reach? Let us see. Now let us take 4 jump to the right. This is 1 jump, then second jump, then third jump, then fourth jump. Where we reach the point? Plus 3. To reach the point plus 3. To reach the point plus 3. To reach the point plus 3. Okay. Now what we have? We have minus plus 5. Minus plus 5 we have, no? Minus means subtract. Now we want to subtract plus 5. Now to subtract plus 5, to subtract plus 5 from 8. To subtract plus 5, minus means subtract. Right. Yes, screen is there. It has not gone anywhere. Now to subtract, wait. It is very much clear. To subtract, see here, screen is there. In my mobile, screen is there. No. It is there. Now write, to subtract plus 5 from it, we take 5 jump. We take we take 5 jumps to the left of plus 3 to reach the point. See, it is very much clear. See, it is very much clear. Please, we are able to see. It is very much clear. It is very much clear in the mobile. I am able to see in my mobile. It is very much clear. Yes. Now let us take 5 jump from 3. Let us take 5 jump to the left of plus 3. Yes. Let us take 5 jump. 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2. This is 5 jump. This is 5 jump. This is 5 jump to reach the point. To reach the point minus 2. To reach the point minus 2. Yes, it is very much clear. Camera is on, everything is very much clear. Board is very much clear. Board is very much clear. So, yes, it is clear. It is clear. So, minus 1 minus minus 4. Wait. Minus plus 5. Answer is minus 2. This is the answer. Answer is minus 2. This is the answer. The answer is minus 2. The answer is minus 2. When we take high jump to the left, 3 to 2, 1 jump, 2 to 1, second jump, 1 to 0, third jump, 0 to minus 1, fourth jump, minus 1 to minus 2 is fifth jump. We reach the point minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. The answer is minus 2. Yes? Yes? Finish? Finish? Is it clear?